Hey everybody, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we are Living Light, Loving Life, and I'm Austin.
I'm Tara.
And over the past almost 4 years of full-time RV traveling, we've been to about 110 different campsites. We moved quite a bit, and we thought that we should start maybe putting out some more review videos to maybe help you guys, if you're in the area,
find these spots.
Yeah.
You know?
So, and today we have a true RV resort. And when I say true, it is a true RV resort.
And it is brand spanking new.
Not even all the way done yet.
Nope.
We'll go through that and what they're going to add and things like that. But this place is called Sunset Ridge RV Resort in Corpus Christi, Texas. Did I say that right?
Yes, you said it right.
All right.
Just a little tongue twister there for you.
Yeah.
Corpus Christi, Texas.
Yep.
So we're right on the bay.
Yep.
And this place, I mean, let me tell you, has it all. How many sites does it have?
It says 158 sites, and that's a mixture of massive pull-throughs and massive backings. I mean, the sites
Notice the word massive.
Yeah, the sites are huge. In all the campsites we've been at, this is probably the biggest site that we have. I mean, we have a 42-foot fifth wheel and our two vehicles, and you can see just how big these things are.
And people, I mean, it's really made for so people can have the space to bring their boats down, because there is, you know, like I said, we're on the bay, so you can bring your boats, and there's plenty of space here for your RV, your cars, and your boat.
Yeah, so let's get into the amenities of this place.
Okay.
What do you want to start with?
Let's go ahead and start with the resort style pool.
Oh man, it's massive.
Pool, so there's that word again, massive.
Everything about this place is just bigger.
Everything that they have done is just, they have spared no expense.
Yeah.
They've gone that extra mile. But
Attention
this
to
pool
detail.
is gorgeous. They've got a hot tub. It's a pool and spa, so there's a hot tub. And then right behind that is the fitness center, laundry, and restrooms.
Another thing they have is they have 2 pickleball courts, and then a little basketball court in the middle. It
doesn't have the goal yet,
but they actually just got the pickleball court nets up when we were here, and it's all fenced in, which is nice too.
Yeah, it's really cute. And their workout equipment is, I mean, top of the line.
Yeah,
it's like
all
super
the,
fancy,
all the new stuff,
all digital. They even have one of those tonal wall workout programs.
Sauna. It's all digital.
Sauna.
It's just remarkable the detail that they've put into this place.
Yes.
Really.
Oh my gosh, the laundry room, I was blown away. We travel with our washer and dryer, so we don't typically have to use the laundry mats at the RV parks and resorts that we're at. But this one, we happen to go in and check it out, and they have an app. Their machines are connected to an app. So if you don't have porters, no worries. You don't have to go and try to find change somewhere.
It's just a Speed Queen app.
It's called Speed Queen, and you can do everything from your phone. It alerts you when your laundry's done or needs to be switched. It tells you what machines are open, so you don't have to walk back and check on them 100 times.
Yeah.
But anyways, it's awesome. The restrooms, the oh my gosh, the shower in the bathroom.
Yeah, the
I would put it
bathrooms are
in
crazy.
like my home if I, not a house on wheels. It's gorgeous. The bathrooms are spacious, nice. What else?
What else you got?
There's 2 ponds right when you enter. There's 2 ponds, and they're stocked with fish
they
for
will be.
catch and release.
I don't think they are yet.
Okay.
But I think they're supposed to be. And also at the front, like we said, it's not all the way done. It's a majority of the way done. It's gonna be gated, so you'll be gated in here, which is always nice. It's just a comfortable feeling, right? Security.
And speaking about the gates, the whole entire park is fenced in. And then not only is the whole outline of the park fenced in, but all the backup sites have fences in between each other for that extra privacy sites.
Yep.
Their landscaping is going to offer, once it's big enough and kind of grows up, is going to offer privacy in between sites.
Yep.
Let's see, what else?
What else are they adding? I mean, I know they're going to be adding a dog park, an agility course for the dogs. That's not here yet, but it will be soon.
Playgrounds for the kids. They don't have playgrounds yet, but they will be putting at least one. She said possibly 2.
Yeah. There will be a rec center where the office. Currently, they're in one of the storage that they use for an office. They will have a huge rec center that will have kitchen in there. It'll have pool tables. The office will be there.
TV,
restrooms, stuff like the typical
comfort,
typical rec
comfort
center,
place
really.
to hang out and chill and have some fun. They'll have activities in there.
Yep.
And all kinds of stuff.
Let's see.
What else? Oh, we're forgetting like the biggest thing that most RVers worry about, especially full-time RVers, internet. Listen to this, you guys.
Yeah, so the internet, I've never seen it before. Typically
Ever.
you go to a park, right?
Never seen
and there is Wi-Fi towers and it's always weak and so we carry our own, so we never use it. This place in the pedestals actually has its own Ethernet port, and they have fiber optics ran throughout the park. So what you do when you get here is you can do a $90 deposit for the little router that they have, that you can then use and plug into the pedestal, and you'll have fiber optic internet.
Your own internet.
And then that $90, you get that back when you leave, and you just turn back in the router. So, or you can buy your own and do it that way if you'd like. But that is a heck of a deal. It's just a $90 deposit. They give it to you. You get the money back. No harm, no foul. But you do have very quick internet with the fibers.
No, you don't have to worry about it bogging down when everyone's inside at night watching their TV shows.
Yeah. So if you rely on campground Wi-Fi, this is it's a different. I've never seen it before.
I've never seen this option. I didn't even know it was available.
So that is a very really cool perk, and like we said, I mean, they really spared no expense when they built this place out. Just those little fine details like that is pretty remarkable to us. So, okay, what else do we got?
I mean, I think it's now time to move on and talk about the other things that they own. So this place not only owns this park, they own several other parks, but then they also just down the street. Just right across the street, basically, they have boat storage.
Boat, RV storage, regular storage.
Right, yeah.
You do get access to that when you stay here. It's all on an app. It has the gates on there. You just hit it and the gate opens.
They have a wash bay, big, huge wash bay.
You do have to pay to store your boat in those. That is an additional fee.
Or whatever storage you're looking for.
But
you do get access to it in case you wanted to go and wash off your boat or your car or whatever it may be. And then they also have their own private boat stop marina. So this is Boat Stop Marina, and when you stay with Sunset Ridge RV Resort, you get access to this private marina. You can launch your boats, your kayaks, whatever you want right from here, and it's all gated, so you'll get access to that code. They've got a free ice machine for you to use at your luxury when you stay at the RV park or whenever you're going out on your boat. So free ice, can't beat that. Oh, and water.
Yep.
And free water, sorry. And then check out this fish cleaning station. So you go get your fish, you bring it back here. I'm not really quite sure how all this works, but whoop, there we go. You can literally, it puts all your extra, what do you call that, shavings from your fish, you can put down here. And it's a rotating machinery, and it just keep your hands clean, and this is fish cards only, and it goes back into the water. How cool is that? So that's all we have for you for today's RV Resort review. Make sure you go and check out Sunset Ridge RV Resort in Corpus Christi across all their social medias.
And ours. Go check us out.
And
too.
ours.
Yeah. And hit that like and subscribe.
And
right?
stay tuned for more of this.
Yeah.
All right.